If A is equal to 3, B equal to 4 and C is equal to 5, find cos A, cos B, cos C. Here we'll apply the cosine formula, that is cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, and then substituting the values we get cos A equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, we can find cos B, which is equal to 3 by 5, and cos C, which is equal to 0. The sides of a triangle are 7 cm, 4 root 3 cm and root 13 cm. Find the smallest angle of a triangle. Now we know in a triangle the smallest angle corresponds to smallest side. So we have to first find which is the smallest side. So let A equal to 7, B equal to 4 root 3 and C equal to root 13, which implies that A square is 49, B square is 48 and C square is 13. So clearly we can see that C square is the smallest, which implies that C is the smallest side and angle C is the smallest angle. Now we can find out cos C by substituting the values in the cosine formula, and we get cos C is equal to root 3 by 2. Now we know that cos C is equal to root 3 by 2 when C is equal to 30 degrees. If ratio of A, B, C is equal to 7, 8, 9, prove that ratio of cos A, cos B, cos C is equal to 14, 11, 6. Here we can either directly find the values of cos A, cos B, cos C using cosine formula and then compare and find the ratio. The alternative way is to directly apply the ratios and substitute the values of cosine formula. Here in the denominator we have 2bc, 2ac, 2ab. So we'll try to make it common by multiplying the first term by a, second term by b and the third term by c, and then we can eliminate the denominator, giving us simple terms. Now we can substitute the values of a, b and c, and then doing the simplification we get the ratio 14, 11, 6. If the sides of triangle are x square plus x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x square minus 1, show that the greatest angle of the triangle is 120 degrees. So let A is equal to x square plus x plus 1, B is equal to x plus 1 and C is equal to x square minus 1. Now we know that sides cannot be negative, that is B has to be greater than 0, which implies that x is greater than minus 1 by 2. Similarly, we can show that C is greater than 0, implies that x is greater than 1 or x is less than minus 1. We can eliminate x less than minus 1 because it contradicts with b greater than 0. Therefore, x has to be greater than 1. Now, to find the greatest angle, we have to find out which is the greatest side. So, let's compare A and B by calculating A minus B, and we find that it is equal to x square minus x. As x is greater than 1, this term will be greater than 0, which means A is greater than B. Now we'll compare A with C by finding out A minus C, and we find that it is equal to x plus 2. Again, this is greater than 0. Therefore, A is greater than C. That is, angle A is the greatest angle. Now we can apply the cos A formula and substitute the values of A, B and C, and doing the simplification we get that it is equal to minus half, and we know that cos A will be minus half only when A is equal to 120 degrees. Deduce sine formula from the projection formula. So let's first write down the projection formula. We can start with any one of the projection formula. Here we have used A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. On the right hand side we have both B and C. So we'll eliminate here C, that is we'll replace cos C by minus cos of A plus B, and side C using the projection formula, that is C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Now we'll apply the cos sum formula and expand cos A plus B. Now we get 4 terms. The first and the last term, B cos A cos B, cancels out, and we can take the A cos square B to the left side so that we can aggregate all the side A terms on the left side and side B terms on the right side. Now we know that 1 minus cos square B can be simplified to sin square B. So we get A sin square B equal to B sin A sin B. We can cancel out 1 sin B from the both sides, giving us A sin B equal to B sin A. Rearranging the terms, we get A by sine A is equal to B by sine B. Similarly, if we start with any other projection formula and eliminate B, we get A by sine A is equal to C by sine C. From these two, we can conclude that A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K, where K is a constant.